प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए, ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए। नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद आए, प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए, ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए। नीले अंबर पर चांद आए, प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए। होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। बन जाओ मीत मेरा, मेरे गीत अमर कर दो। होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। Those of you who knows, they can sing with me. ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन, ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन। जब प्यार करे कोई, होने दे केवल मन, नई रीत चला कर तुम, ये रीत अमर कर दो। होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। This is the second song now. If I could have a little bit more quietness, I would really appreciate it. तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो। आँखों में नमी हंसी लबों पर, आँखों में नमी हंसी लबों पर, क्या हाल है क्या दिखा रहे हो। क्या हाल है क्या दिखा रहे हो। क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो। This is the last song. तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया। जिंदगी दो तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया। आज फिर दिल ने एक तमन्ना की, आज फिर दिल ने एक तमन्ना, आज फिर दिल ने हमने समझाया, आज फिर दिल को हमने समझाया। जिंदगी को तुम घना साया, तुमको देखा तो ये Thank you. Have a wonderful evening. And just before I go, I would like to actually say thank you to Nana. It's been an absolute privilege working with you, and it's an absolute pleasure to be here. And I hope that you guys have a very good evening.
say. Amazing, amazing, mesmerizing. You can't stop your legs when you have such a beautiful performance.
Thank you, Charles Gambiano. That's from West Africa in the Gambia, the dance there. Now our fashion show is ready, Chinwe, and most of what they've got are recyclable stuff that they use for sustainable self-reliance. So ladies and gentlemen, as much as you're having your starters, your meal, they're about to come up the stage now. Chinwe,
It's all reusable, right?
sorry?
Material.
Yes, most of them are self-made, recyclable stuff, self-reliance.
Yeah.
So we're just waiting on them now. This is the third calling. Hopefully they'll come,
It's all
definitely.
about fashion, you know, and fashion takes time.
I know. It took me how many hours to get
Don't
dressed?
lose your patience, that they'll take you to
I had to get my hair done. My daughter had to do my makeup. They both of them had to put my zip
for
up.
hours
So,
and hours, you know, and today is just minutes and minutes why we're waiting so much.
Yes, yes.
But I think now we should be here.
Yeah. The
Anyway,
wait will be
I
well
suppose the last
worth it.
performance must have been like everybody. It's truly multicultural. You can
Absolutely.
really appreciate the thought behind that. It's absolutely, truly multicultural. Now she here. Can we have the music, please? All right. It's noble that they are using all recycled material, right? Something very nice to hear.
Okay. Hands together for our young lady.
Amazing.
The headgear scarf.
Fashion is in the air now. Amazing.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh,
You can see a lampshade there, definitely recyclable. Look at the headgear.
extremely
That's
flat.
beautiful.
Beautiful. Another culture back.
Another shade coming there. Very innovative. Hopefully we'll see this on Ascot this year. Thank you. here. My young model. Give us a little while before you leave. Give us a little pause. That's it. Thank you.
This was something very creative and very different. I suppose all of us would have enjoyed that. Now there is a song again by Victoria. She'll entertain you while you have your feast, in fact. Please enjoy your dinner at the same time. Victoria, please be here, yeah?
Good evening, everyone. You're all looking fantastic. I am Victoria, here from Milton Keynes, and I am representing the Democratic Republic of Congo, which is found in Central Africa. So if anyone here is Congolese, Bobe, Tama Milolo, Milolo, La Pesibi Nombote. And I'll be singing my own song that I'd released quite a few years back in French, English, and Swahili, all in one. Okay. Thank you. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Alors je lève mon voix pour t'adorer, toi Jésus, mon roi, toi qui m'as sauvé, qui m'as guéri, toi le roi de gloire. Toi qui ne se prends de soin de nous, malgré des circonstances de nos vies. Lord, your love never changes. Your love me flows, I know. You have put my past behind, and you've called me your own. That is why I sing to you. That is why I give you praise. Oh. Jésus, mon roi, toi qui m'as sauvé, qui m'as guéri, toi le roi de gloire, toi qui ne se prend de soin de nous, malgré les circonstances de nos vies. Alors je lève ma voix pour t'adorer, toi Jésus, mon roi, toi qui m'as sauvé, qui m'as guéri, toi le roi de gloire, toi qui ne se prend de soin de nous, malgré les circonstances de nos vies. So the meaning of the song is that no matter what happens, despite all things, life will always remain good. So I'd like to just share that with you, that no matter what you're facing this year, everything will be good with you. Have a lovely evening.
Amazing, Victoria.
That's amazing.
Thank
Got
you
a
so
beautiful
much.
voice. Thank you for sharing that with us. Yes, yes. Congo.
Three cheers for Congo. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! That was really incredible. I mean, Victoria, it was really nice of her.
Yes. And Victoria, just to say that if people want to listen to your song, if they want to buy it, where should they do that? Because it's beautiful. YouTube, and what is it? Can you let us know?
Yeah, why don't you come up and give a brief of views, in fact?
Thank you. If you just search up Victoria Lucy on YouTube and on Instagram, you'll be able to find me in all the music that is there. So Victoria Lucy. The song is a French song, so it's Malgré tout. Malgretout. Thank you.
So Instagram, Victoria Lucy, Majetu. Thank you, that was beautiful.
Good evening. Good evening. Just to make sure you can hear me. My name's Thelma Ekio Shilanke. I chair a CICI founded called Proof Accelerator, and it's for African immigrant entrepreneurs that have spent less than 3 years in the UK. I moved to Milton Keynes with my husband from London to complete my doctorate at Cranfield University, and lived here for the last 3 years. And while I was at Cranfield, I realized how difficult it is, no matter how much you've accomplished before you come here, to break into the community. And met a lot of African entrepreneurs who have built strong careers before they came to the UK, but many of them can't navigate the entrepreneurial ecosystem in the UK. And they end up taking menial jobs. Nothing wrong with menial jobs, but as an entrepreneur, that's tragic. And I think the UK ends up really losing out on a lot of talent. And so our accelerator supports these entrepreneurs. Since we launched last year, we have 190 entrepreneurs in the accelerator. Accessing finance is completely difficult for these entrepreneurs. Ironically, our first grant for the accelerator came from America and not the UK. And so that just validates the hypothesis that it's extremely difficult to set up a business here. And so it was really a pleasure to have met Nana at Cranfield. She came for one of our events, and we found out that there are a lot of things that we're trying to do together as Africans who've built successful careers or businesses. And on the 25th of May, together with Nana, we're going to organize, that's Africa Day, by the way. Many people don't know there's something called Africa Day. So we're going to organize an event strictly for African entrepreneurs and business people. So please look out, join us. I think it's really important. Representation is extremely important. I've loved meeting the people on my table and just getting to know what different people are doing. And I think events like this help to break stereotypes of people, because once you understand what people do and where they come from, they're no longer strangers or people that you can put in boxes, but they actually become neighbors and friends. Thank you very much.
It was amazing address. We really thank you for the time and the address you made. Now, something from your end, please.
Thank you, and I hope the dinner was lovely. I saw steam coming out of it, so it was nice and warm. I'd like to introduce Councillor Jane Carr, and she had a career in sales and marketing, journalism, newspaper. She had her own daycare company, but she will tell you more about herself. But I'm Jane Carr, please.
Hearty welcome to the stage. We are offered to have you here.
Thank you very much. Lovely to have you. First and foremost, I really ought to thank Nana for such a fantastic evening. and for ensuring I'm here tonight. I'm not here to talk particularly about politics, but I think I learned very early on in my career in social work that actually politics hits everything. It's like a pebble in the water. You never quite know where the ripples are going to hit. And I'd like to also introduce you to some of my fellow city councillors, because there's quite a few of them in the room. Can I ask you to put your hands up and give us a wave, guys? We all come from different places, but we're all here tonight. And this is about the richness of being a wider community. And certainly that's something I embrace. My family lived in Saudi Arabia for many years, so I have an understanding of Islam from an Arabic perspective. That doesn't mean I know what Islam is like for you, because it's different all over the world. And I take that learning and I take that understanding and I have it with me every day. Because I know that when we work together, when we bring new ideas and diversity and new thinking together, we change the world. But we do it one step at a time. So I want to thank you all for being here this evening, and thank you for giving me the time to speak. And I hope that we can improve and build and find a way to listen and hear each other. Because when we do that, we make big, amazing places. And Milton Keynes is certainly one that I have in my heart. So thank you very much this evening. Much appreciated. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. It was wonderful, very crisp and genuine, to be honest. Thank you. Yeah. Now the judges.
Now coming to the real thing, the real event where we're here, which is the Excellence Award of Milton Keynes.
Multicultural Excellence Award.
Yes.
The very reason for the evening, basically.
Absolutely. And I would like to call on the head judge, who is Zoe Bennett. Just a little background on her, like she's a winner or international inspirational speaker on mindset, resilience, and coaching. She has produced so many speaking events and globally.
Wow.
She, yes, she does. And she's been speaking for banks, Deloitte, and lots of others. I wouldn't go too much into it. I think it's best that she tells us what she does, how she intends to inspire people here, and how great Milton Keynes is. Zoe Bennett, please.
We heartily welcome. Please give a round of applause to her. And I again repeat, the multicultural part is evident all across. We
More
appreciate
hands
it
together.
much.
Yes.
Please be here.
It's a pleasure having you.
Thank you for having me. Hello, everybody. Come on, energy. Hello, everybody. Fantastic. Are we excited to be here this evening? Yes, we have been so privileged to judge some amazing entrants. And for me, it's an honour to be the head judge because hearing and reading the stories, they were just super inspirational. And it makes me proud to even be amongst you all, because you are all making strides and you are inspiring not just the people in the room, you're inspiring the next generation, and it's very exemplary. So could all the finalists stand up, please, so we can give you all a round of applause. All the finalists, please stand up. Come on, don't be shy, stand up. Come on, everyone, give them a round of applause, please. Woo! Honestly, you've got to clap yourself. Thank you. Take your seats. So, for myself, I know how hard it is to organise award ceremonies, and I have my own. And Nana, you've done an amazing job wherever you are, Nana. And then, you know, it takes months and months of planning, but you do it from a place of passion. We celebrate other people, we uplift other people, we spotlight other people because we recognise that we have to be representational, especially from a multicultural point of view, of which these awards are. For myself, many people may never have heard of me before, but I am also known as the Motivational Queen, and I am trademarked in the UK, Europe, and the United States of America. Thank you. And I own 2 companies, and I employ quite a few people. And why do I do that? So that people can see that you don't have to just do one thing. You're not governed by doing just one element, which all of you do. When we've read what you do a lot more than the one thing. You stand up, you show people it can be done. You give hope. And that's what I try and do with whatever I do, because the bottom line is, no one's going to give you something. You've got to take it yourself. You've got to create your own opportunities, and that's what you're doing. And by you standing up and standing strong and saying that we're successful in whatever industry that you're in, it proves to other people that they too can do it. So as head judge, thank you all for being amazing, and thank all the organisers, the venue, and the amazing hosts here this evening. So yes, good luck everybody, but remember this, you are all winners!
Good evening. Zoe, just stay here. I'd like to introduce a couple of the other judges that are here tonight with us. Ninda Johal is here. Please come up. Dr. Adonis Aboud is here. Please come up. Please come up, Dr. Aboud. And Wing Sang is here as well.
So let's hear from some of the other judges. So Ninda, tell us how you found doing the judging.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for that, Zoe. Let me first tell you that no economy can operate without entrepreneurs like yourself. No economy. This economy is only going to be successful because of people like you. Only you will employ people and create wealth, not just for you, but for families and for those you employ. So your role is essential if this economy and society is going to function. How did we find the judging? Well, listen, they're very difficult to actually, well, I think if you're born in this country or live in this country, you tend to be very reticent in telling people how good you are. It's very difficult. It's very difficult to write it down. So we found the stories fantastic. Lots to learn from other people's struggles and challenges. But each one of you that has completed that application, I bet you found it amazing when you trace back how well you've done to get to where you have today. So I applaud you all. I'm in awe of what you do, and I wish you the best for today, tomorrow, and for the future. Congratulations to you all.
Fantastic, thank you. Would you like to say a word? Yeah.
What can I say? Anytime Nana does something, she does it out of this world. Very happy to be along with you here. And I was also lucky to be on the table of Miss Africa.
It is a privilege, yeah.
And being the chairman of Miss Sierra Leone pageant, who we have been to Miss World 4 times. It was a great pleasure to see a beautiful queen with us. Everything looks good tonight.
Can she be here on the stage?
Congratulations in advance to all the winners.
Oh, she's here.
And if you ask me, all the finalists are winners, not only the winners. Thank you.
A few words from him, please. Welcome to you.
That's lovely. Hi everyone. I wasn't planning to be on stage, so apologies if I say anything weird. But you know, thank you to Nana I'm not sure where she is.
It's
but
absolutely multicultural.
Yeah, it is,
Just don't be thinking that way.
Yeah,
That shows the spirit of the event, probably.
yeah, it's just
appreciate
lovely,
that, yeah.
and it's such a privilege to actually be able to read everyone's entries, and I find it extremely motivating and something that we should all celebrate, especially each other's cultures, and that's it from me.
So let's just get on with the show then, shall we? So thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you all so very much. Can we please put our hands for the judges, please?
Could we ask Dr. Adas Abodi to be here for the awards, please? Now is the round of awards to be distributed out here. The recognition, the thought, the work, and the ultimate part of the event, basically. So I would just request the nominees to be here. A well-known woman CIC network, Alice Maina, to be here, please. Alice, can you come up on the stage, please? Yeah, she's the nominee. Okay. That's the category is charity of the year, basically. So we have Alice Mayana from here. Welcome, Alice, to the in fact. All right. Then we have the Weldon Principal CIC. Can we have her here, please? Yeah, round of applause. Please keep up the clap. It's on. It's good for health. It's good for the motivators, you know. Let us continue with that. Can we have Dr. Adonis about here for the awards, please? Please come on the stage for the award distribution. That will be kind of you. Welcome, sir. Kind of you. Then we have Victoria. Can Victoria be here for the nominees part? Okay. Then we have Ek Charles, can she be here? Smiles FNDCIC. Smiles FNDCIC. We request your presence on the stage, please. Smiles, can you be here on the stage, please? Welcome, welcome. Among all the nominees, now is the moment to be, in fact, excited and leave your breath stronger, basically. So that goes to, who's the winner name, in fact? That goes to MK Act. MK Act has to be here, please. MK Act. Yeah, please. That's not a big hard. Now. The winner is MK Act for the event. Come on. Charity of the year. That's nice to hear. Many congrats for the guys. It's really kind of you to be here. MK Act. Let the movement be caught in the cameras. Oh, the giggle has to be there. It's obvious. That's nice. Congrats, man. Many congrats. The nominees can go back to their seat. That's so kind of you to be here. You were pleasant to be here. We really acknowledge that. It was really hard work to be here on this stage, to be honest. You really worked hard. It was really hard work to be here. Now, yeah, please. Hearty congratulations to both of you, and just like a few words from you on the journey we have gone through. Please.
Good evening, everyone. Evening. We're both here from MK Acts, and we just want to say thank you. We're honoured for the awards. We help out with 2,500 women and children in terms of helping them out against domestic violence. Our staff and volunteers go above and beyond, and we couldn't do anything without them, really. And we just want to serve more people in the community. We reflect the community that we work with, and we just want to say thank you and enjoy your evening.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. It was really incredible for you all, the journey and the efforts done to the community track. Thanks a lot. Now, the second one goes for the community champion. Now we're looking for community champion. So can I call the nominees on this stage? Queen Christy Amalo JP. Can the Queen Christy Amalo be here? Welcome Queen Christy, please be here. And the second nominee is Lisa Lowell. Please Lisa Lowell be on the stage, please. Yeah. This Amalo, yeah. Can I call Jyoti? Could I please request Jyoti to be on the stage? Lisa, can you be here on the stage, please? Lisa Lowell? Oh, okay. And Dr. Abbas is again a movement to be cherished down. The Queen is going to be, we are still waiting for that. Jyoti, congrats, a ton of it. Many hearty congrats, Jyoti. Really well done. It's something, landmark in the history. Yeah, that's kind of you. That's really great. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Jyoti, we wanted a few words from him. Jyoti, we just wanted a few words from you.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for getting this award. I have been part of volunteering journey for last 4 or 5 years, and it's really fulfilling. If I can encourage even 10% people to come into volunteering and helping the communities would be really great. So this is an award for all the community champions, not only me, but whoever is into volunteering. Keep doing the great work. Thank you.
That's amazing thought, I would say that. So, okay. Tina, go ahead.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So the next category is health and well-being. And the nominees are Bhavika Garg founder and chair, Mindful Inspire Art, COIC.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Dr. Sipra AJ. Dr. Sipra AJ.
Welcome, welcome to the stage.
Thank you.
Nobody's have got really hard work done.
Thank you. And these two have done a fantastic job in healthcare in Milton Keynes. This has been sponsored and presented by Marital Healthcare. Marital Healthcare?
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you. And the winner is Dr. Sipra AJ.
Congrats, tons of congrats.
But as they said, all the nominees, the finalists, you're all winners. So shake hands. Thank you. If you can have photos of them, please. And if you can say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Well, I'm actually really surprised to have this. Well, I thank everyone and those that have voted me in for this. One thing I just want to say is that I'm always proud to do what I do, and that's to save life. And irrespective of even though I'm in the private sector, but whether you've got your funds or not, we always try to make sure that your health comes first, and as long as we can help you to get better, we're happy. Paying your fees is always the secondary. But thank you very much for this.
Great. It was a great sector.
Congratulations again.
Congrats. Congrats.
The next category is Artist of the Year. We have Suraj Kaj, Juliana Sapong, Julie Juju Production, Serena Rub. Suraj Kaur, Juju Production, or Juu, and Serena Rub.
Welcome. Welcome.
I love the hair. That's beautiful. And the winner is Suraj Kaur. Burton Healthcare, are you here? Amato Healthcare, you're meant to be presenting this award. My apologies. I could have just got you, to stay here.
Seat is quite cozy, but not for some time.
Thank you. Mr. Surajkar, congratulations. You're all winners. And if you shake hands with us, that's it. Kindly come towards that.
It's the participation which matters the most. A few words from you, sir.
Well, thank you.
Thanks, nominees, for you.
I'm actually a bit nervous because I haven't given a speech before. Well, all I say is thank you, Milton Keynes Multicultural Excellence Awards, for this recognition. And thanks everyone for your support. As an artist, as a photographer, for me it was a very interesting journey. It was just not about art or a hobby. It was a platform for me to improve my own mental health when I was facing my own challenges. And using my own art, my own craft, various initiatives that I'm part of, the exhibitions that I've done so far, And also being a member of the South Asian artist community, what I want to do is basically take this initiative even more forward and to kind of break the stigma about talking of men's mental health.
Mr. Ninder Johal, can I have him on the stage, please? Yeah, Mr. Johal, most welcome to you. The nominees are Julia Juu Productions. Welcome. Then we have Claudine Amacon. Oh, most welcome, most welcome. Julia, can we have? Then Regal Boots. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And the movement comes in. We have the winners to be. Wow! Let's go on in. Yeah. She's the founder of Kisaman, basically. Many, many congrats to you, all the way. Can we have a few words from you? Yeah.
Hello, Milton Keynes. This is for all of you, for everyone who's been part of Christainment from the beginning. Thank you so much to all the Christainment family. Thank you to my husband, my children who have been very supportive. Christainment has been on for a good number of years. We bring artists from Africa to entertain ourselves here and make us feel comfortable. We also have a brand. We're building on family values, which is really the core of our company. Building family values here, teaching our children how to really be African. I appreciate this. I do not take any of it for granted. And I say thank you for being our team. Thank you, Christainment.
Thanks a lot. It was heartiest congratulations for the achievement. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Second categories of awards are Young Person of the Year, presented by Miss Africa UK. Can you please come on the stage? Kind of you, the audience was longing to see you since long. Ultimately, you're here. Welcome. Welcome. All right. And the nominees are Natasha Wimbai Zorko. Okay, that's cool, Natasha. Miss Facial Beauty, yeah. And the winner is Natasha, kind of you. Natasha, many congrats to you. Hearty congratulations to you. This is to have from the Miss Africa, you know. Okay, that's good. Just you want to say some few words? Or that's fine. Yeah, please.
On behalf of Natasha, who couldn't be here tonight, we'd like to say thank you. Thank you for the nomination and the award. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. And Tina, you are here. My place always.
The next category is Creative Company of the Year. Nominees are Lisette Weeble, The Stylish Mom. We are the Iroko.
Maida. Can you have Maida sit on the stage?
Juliana Sapo, Juu Production.
Presented.
And these nominations
Recruit.
were being presented by Mahdi Recruit. And the winner is...
She's there. Let the nominee there. Yeah, nominee there. Hold on for the winner now.
And the winner is... We are Iroko. Congratulations.
Many congrats, many congrats. Just say a few words.
Thank you. Yes, I feel very honored to have received this award. However, I feel that it represents work that needs to be done, and not just by us, we are the Iroko, but also by all of us, because we are concerned about sustainability and what is going on with our world, our planet. So we have to do our bit, recycle, reuse, upcycle, repurpose. That's what we're all about, to ensure that we are looking after our lovely planet. Doing things like this, making furniture out of car tires, things like that is what we tend to do. So thank you so much, and I hope you join us in practicing sustainable living. It's so much fun. Thank you.
Thanks, and many, many congrats to you on the life achievement basically.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Award at the end of the day,
Our next category, which is, I think, one of my favorite, Doctor of the Year. And our nominees are...
Oh, she was happy.
I've been told, sponsored by Mahdi Recruit. Nominees are Dr. Chinwe Oshukweku and Cyril Ejai. Dr. Chinwe.
Welcome on the stage.
And Cyril Ejai. And the winner is Dr. Chinwe Oshukweku. Congratulations.
Congrats! Congratulations to you. The award is a recognition. It's a pleasure. Very nice, very nice. Just a few words from you.
Thank you, Milton Keynes. This award is for all the volunteers in Shenley Food Bank, Shenley Christian Fellowship, and all the donors and supporters to helping us bridge poverty and inequality in Milton Keynes. There's a lot of work to be done. There's poverty in Milton Keynes. We need to fight it together. Come and join us in Shenley Food Bank and help Milton Keynes grow. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, and hearty congratulations to you for the award. The second award category is Diversity and Inclusion Champion. Diversity and Inclusion Champion, presented by Joe Benetton Penn. Can we request Mr. Joe to be here? Oh, kind of you, Mr. Benetton. Mr. Joe, can you be here, please? Mr. Joe Benetton. Hey. Wow. Bukki Baba Jide. Yeah, please be on stage, Bukki Baba DJ. Please be here, yeah. Bukki Baba. Welcome on the stage, please. Welcome on the stage. IDMK. Yeah. Hello, welcome to stage. Welcome to stage, yeah. Hello, welcome to stage. Natalia and Lewis. Natalia and Lewis, are they here, please? Nominees, please, Natalia and Lewis. We welcome you. Kind of you to be here, sir. It's an honor to be here. And the winner is, you be here first, then the winner is. I appreciate all the nominees to be on the stage. Really look nice to be here. It's good to be participant, and the winner is somebody you know. It's very edge of it probably. And the winner is IDMK! IDMK! Tons of congrats! In fact, yeah. Hearty congratulations! Hearty congratulations to that team. It looks like a collective effort. Really a good one. It's always good. It's always good to have a collective effort. That's a good. Great achievement. Great achievement, in fact. A few words for the IDMK, please.
Thank you, Milton Keynes Multicultural Awards, for creating this platform. Nana, going beyond the Black Community Awards and taking it to the next level as Milton Keynes Cultural Awards is a second step. I don't think this should be the last of it. It needs to be going even further to bring all the Milton Keynes communities in here. Coming to IDMK, some of you would have heard for the first time, IDMK stands for India Day Milton Keynes, the biggest ethnic regional event which happens every year on the last Saturday of June in Campbell Park, with a fantastic participation of over 15,000 community members, not just from Milton Keynes, but coming from across the UK. Although it says India Day, this is not just for Indians, this is for everyone to come in and learn about the Indian culture, and we are here to share that culture. As it goes by our national anthem, which says, Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala, Banga. This is different regions of India which are coming together and celebrate our national pride here in Milton Keynes and share with all of you. And thank you for the award.
That's a fantastic thought. That's a fantastic thought. And IDMK, I will represent the India Day. It's a phenomenal event. 15,000, one room is a phenomenal gathering. I mean, that's the biggest event of our Indian part in UK, I would say. And the credit goes to the IDMK. Next award presented by, yeah, please. Joe is not here probably. Tony, can we request you to be here back, please? Councillor Tony, can you request me? Yeah, you're here. Yeah, you're here for the award. Most inspirational person of the year, presented by Councillor Tony. And the nominees are Dr. Kapoor. Dr. Kapoor. That shows the vibrance, Dr. Kapoor. We are looking for you here. Welcome to the stage. And PJ Kronje, can we have you here, please? Welcome to the stage. Welcome. Srini Rob / Ives of CC. Can you come to the stage, please? Anthony Raw, please. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. And the winner is, the heartbeats go up, Paige Kronje. Hearty congratulations, Paige. Nominees were really nice to be here. Kind of you. Very kind of you to be here. Participation is most important in the game. Very kind of you for here. And few words for her.
Hello everybody, my name is Paige Kronje and I am the founder and owner of First Class Athletics. We are the largest cheerleading and gymnastics centre in Milton Keynes and the most diverse club in the whole of the UK. These numbers are actually a little bit out of date. We have over 300 athletes now. We work with most of the schools within Milton Keynes as well as Buckingham University, and this year we're opening the first cheerleading and gymnastics centre in Accra in Ghana.
Great, great, congrats. Tina.
Our next category is Business of the Year, Entrepreneur of the Year, under £100,000.
It's a big amount, 100,000.
This has been sponsored and presented by Thelma Ekio Saloki. Thelma, please.
Thelma, can you please come on the stage?
Whilst we do that, I'll go ahead with the nominees. Layla's Beauty Salon, Regal Boots, Bumi Shagombi B Quality African Store.
Can we request Mr. Muhammad Khan to be on the stage for presenting the award?
Loretta Ifoma Ekwesi, Food by Esa, Jojo Taylor, Faith Alekia, Days Events, Jeffrey Manso, Greatness Coach,
on this stage. The excitement has to come to the peak.
I know, right?
Welcome to the nominees on the stage. It's really a spirit to fight to the end.
And
it's all hard work.
The winner
hard work, you know,
of the Business of the Year Entrepreneur is Regal Boots. Congratulations.
Many congratulations to them for their hard work and reach the stage, you know. Tina, it's really hard to get the stage award. You know.
I know.
It's a pleasure, it's a lifetime thing. Yeah. Absolutely, yeah. Dr. Khan is a renowned personality and the face of Milton Keynes, in fact. Yeah.
So we get
just a few words.
to say a few words, please.
Thank you. Just first of all, I want to thank God for. It's quite humbling to be here today because this time last year at the awards, we was actually we was just actually just starting, and we was actually in the back, seeing all the nominees and coming up and stuff, and you know, sharing, having a good time on our on the Riga booths and the photo machine. But the main thing, the main reason why we have this company is because we want to bring joy to people's events. We like to see people like having a good time and giving them a good time at every event that they go to, and we just enjoy bringing joy to people's communities and stuff. So thank you very much. Thank you, Nana.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Well done. Congratulations. I'm coming for my 360 movement. Our next category is still within Business Entrepreneur of the Year, but we're looking at over £100,000. And this is being presented again by Thelma. It means that we'll have to call
Dr. Khan.
Councillor.
Mr. Khan, can we request you to be here again, please?
Councillor Khan, please.
I was wanting you to say that here. Yeah. Sorry, Khan.
Thank you, sir. And the nominees are Mati Healthcare, Albert Wong, Tabitha Coker. Mati Healthcare, Albert Wong,
welcome on the stage.
Tabitha Coker.
Welcome on the stage, welcome.
Thank you. And we have three nominees, but we only got two present at the moment. And the winner is Marty Healthcare. Congratulations.
Congrats. Tons of congrats.
So you did not just present an award, you're receiving one yourself.
It's an experience of both the ends, giving and taking, you know. You feel much honored to take it something.
Okay, if you're done with the photographs, then you can please say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. I'm truly thankful for this moment, actually. It's a really humbling, incredibly humbling and an amazing moment for us. And we use this opportunity to thank the organizers of the Milton Keynes Multicultural Awards, Excellence Awards, for this recognition. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
I would also like to appreciate my colleagues and all the staff of Myrtle Healthcare for their unwavering hard work and support to make this moment a reality.
That's great of you to acknowledge the team.
Team
is a strength.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. All right. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. The next award goes to the category of Musician of the Year. Musicians of the Year, presented by Councillor Jane Carr. Can we request Councillor Jane Carr to be here, please? Councillor Jane Carr. Dr. Khan. Dr. Khan, Councillor Khan, I will make you doctor at the end of the day, you know. welcome to the stage. Welcome to the stage. My pleasure, I know. I will make you one day. There's so many reminders, you know. And the nominees are Juliana Sarpong. Can you please be on the stage? Juliana, please welcome the stage. Juliana, please on the stage. Serena Rob / Isles of CC, can you be on the stage, please? Selena, please be here. Kind of you to be here. Selena Rock, can you be here, please? Selena, are you here? Left already. Juliana Sapro is here. Serena. Next one. Okay, Juliana's coming, yeah. Welcome. Your hairs are much different and multicultural, you know. We appreciate that.
And the number of nominations you've had, you must be a very popular woman.
Absolutely, yeah. And the winner is, cross the fingers at Serena Rock. Oh, that's great. It's a good effort. All right, Serena, please can you be here for the award? It's really kind of you. Nomination, yeah. Many congrats to you. Thank you so much. A few words from you, Serena, please.
I would just like to say a huge thank you to my family and friends for your love and support over the years. I appreciate you so much. I'm part of the LGBT community, and to see what's happening in my community is very worrying. So I can only be who I am and believe in my ability to make a difference. So helping others with their creativity fills me with a different type of joy. And seeing what's possible for them to achieve their goals and seeing their faces light up, it's something that I can't really describe. It really is joy. I have a purpose to pursue creativity and inspire others and encourage others, and I will keep doing just that. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Serena. Thanks a lot. And thanks of congratulations for the award. It's a movement. And Restaurant of the Year. The next category is Restaurant of the Year. Presented by Councillor Khan. He's the renowned face of MK. We want him more on the stage. And the nominees for the best restaurant are Orento, Ofamo, Equenza. Can you be here, please? Welcome. There's a huge round of applause for you. Welcome the stage. Lizzie Kitchen, can you be here, please? The next nominee, Lizzie Kitchen. Welcome on the stage. Welcome. Okay. Pleasure on the way. Okay. And these are the two nominees. And now we have the winner for the category. Winner is Director Fama. Congrats. Tons of congratulations to you.
DJ Longmany.
That's really great of you, kind of you to be here. Yeah, please, anyways, yeah. And we'll have a few words from her.
Ndibo kwenu, kwezonu. Yeah. You know, my heritage matters to me. Thank you to my family, to God Almighty, to everyone in Milton Keynes that have tasted my food and still tasting my food. I say thank you very much for all your support. I appreciate. Thank you, Councillor. Thank you, Councillor Nana, as well. It's been an amazing journey, and I want to also congratulate Lizzie Kitchen as well. Thank you. And Asa means beautiful in my language. So it means Asa. Can you say Asa? Asa. Thank you very much. And DJ, please, I need correct music. Igbo music, please. Please, yes. It's not easy. Congratulations to everyone. Yes, we have to.
If the DJ can find it now, we can have it for the after party. How about that?
He has to find it, if not, we won't pay him his balance. Give us flavor, anything, Igbo, please. This guy. Yes, exactly. Thank you very much.
Definitely for the after party. DJ, that's an assignment for you. Thank you, Loretta, and congratulations.
Thanks a lot. That's amazing! That's amazing! The movement is coming! That's the celebration! It's a celebration! It's an achievement and a celebration! Wow! Amazing! Amazing!
Thank you.
Anna, you are wonderful! Come on,
Thank
We can't stop you! We can't stop you! Amazing! Amazing!
Thank you, Mr. DJ.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you.
Thank you. We see a great solidarity there amongst the Igbos, Nigeria.
It was a celebration.
Congratulations.
Awesome, awesome, I would say.
Now we're going to the unsung heroes. Unsung heroes, that's going to be presented by, it's been sponsored and presented by Thames Valley Police. The Thames Valley Police going to be presenting this. Do we have a representative here? If so, kindly join us on the stage.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you. The nominees are
Hi, welcome here.
Lisa Lavelle,
Lisa Noel,
Monique Akule, Oyini Godwill, Themo Alimo, that's Milton Keynes, Ikobe Undu Supplementary School, Jeremiah Nayadu, or Nahuru, my apologies, that's Milton Keynes Zimbabwe Community Association. Sorry? And the winner is...
Winner is Winner is
Lisa Lofeld.
Lisa Lowe.
Congratulations, Lisa.
It's really tough. It's really tough. Yeah.
Thank you. If you can kindly say a few words, please, and if we can still keep Thames Police on for the next award. Back and forth.
I'd just like to say a huge thank you to Nana, to the Milton Keynes community. I've been working in Milton Keynes for over 30 years in different communities. I started with the McPherson report for the murder of Stephen Lawrence, doing hate crime training, and I'm now the independent chair for the Stop and Search Scrutiny Panel for Thames Valley Police in Milton Keynes. I'm also a second generation Windrush, and I was actually caught in the Windrush scandal, and I just want to be the voice for all of those who are voiceless, to keep fighting for Windrush, because people do not realise it affects a lot of people. There are still 500,000 people who are stateless in the UK. I just want to wish everyone a good night and thank you very much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And hearty congratulations to you. The next one is
The next category is Rising Star. And again, that's going to be presented by Thames Valley Police. You're here. The nominees are Juliana Sapong, that's Julie Juju Production, Go Youth MK, Regal Booth. Regal Booth, Go Youth MK, Julie Juju Production.
Can we have Julie Juu Productions on the stage, please?
I know Regal Booth, they're busy there, but you've been nominated. If you can kindly come up.
Kind of you to the stage ASAP so we can carry on further.
Go Youth MK.
Go Youth MK.
Juliana Sapo. That's Juju Production.
Where is she? Here.
Juu Production.
And the winner is?
And the winner is Julie Juu Production. Julie Sapo. Juu Production. Yes. And the winner is
I'm short of words. Good evening, everyone. I thank Almighty God
and the organizers, and everyone here, and Team Juu, the crew, and all the members. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Many, many congrats to you.
Thank
Tons of
you.
congrats. Yeah, that's it. Next category. Who wants the next category now? Category is Professional of the Year. Professional of the Year. And the presenter is Wing Sang. She's already here on the stage. The nominees are Juliana Sapong. Juliana. Kaz Khalif, can we have him on the stage? Kaz Khalif, can we have him on the stage, please? Kaz. Bukki Babazida, can we have the stage, please? Bukki Babazida, can we have the stage, please? Glory on Bicho, can we have the stage, please? Yeah, welcome the stage, please. Matthew Rubin, can we have the stage, please? Diana Nodoro. Yeah, welcome the stage, please. The nominees are the backbone of the awards, you know. Christy Amilo, can we have him stage, please? Christy, can we have the stage, please? Christy, can we have the stage, please? Okay, I think, and the winner is Christy Amalio. Christy Amalio, we have been calling you. We wanted to honor you. We're waiting for you here. Welcome on the stage, Christy. Welcome. Don't be lazy. You may miss the bus. That's here. All the pleasure to you. Look at the movement, in fact, you know. You've been waiting so long for the movement. It's amazing to have you on the stage. Many, many congrats. Tons of congrats. And a few words from you, basically.
Wow, I just want to say a big thank you to Almighty God for this surprise. And again to the organizer, Councillor Nana Oguntola, I call her a power lady. And also to my family, my wonderful husband and children who had always been by my side. And to my friends and my supporters, please, this award is for you!
That's amazing. Yeah. Thank you. And the next category is we have the entire night after some time. People are waiting for us, you know. Women in Tech. Now the next category is Women in Tech, and the presenter is Wing Sang. Wing Sang is already here. We are hopeful that you are already here. Bukki Babajida, can you be here, please? Bukki Babajida, can you hear me, please? Bukki Babajida. Then Bukki Babajida, I request you to be here, please. All right, she's on the way. And that's the only nominee and that's the only winner. Welcome as a winner on the stage. You are the nominee and the winner. Congrats, many, many congrats. Many, many congrats. Many, many congrats. A few words from you. A few words from you, please.
Good evening all. Thank you so much. I just wanted to say my name is Baba Jida, not Baba Jida. I want to dedicate this award to my family. My husband is not here right now. My children for being a pillar of support, always cheering me on. And my friends, they're sitting at that table. Thank you so much. And most importantly, the organizers of this event, Nana and everyone that's involved. I had an event today that was clashing, but I said I have to be here. So thank you all the guests, the winners, attendees. We are all winners. Cheers.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. It was really nice. And the next category of award comes from Tina. You're relaxing so long, please. Sorry.
Thank you. The next category is Mentor of the Year. And this is being presented by Councillor Tony. Councillor Tony, if you can kindly come up.
That's not me.
Welcome, Councillor Tony. Welcome to the stage, please.
The nominees are Jeffrey Manso.
Welcome, Jeffrey. Welcome.
And Monique Akule. Monique Akule, please.
Welcome, welcome to the stage.
Now, Monique, you have your picture there. And the winner is Jeffrey Manson. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Jeffrey. Tons of congratulations to you. It's a movement to be shared.
All right, evening everyone. Evening. So first of all, just like to thank God for this amazing moment as well. Also like to give a shout out to my wife as well for being there for me on this journey as well. And also I want to thank all the organizers as well and the judges for voting for me as well. And it's such an honor to be able to, you know, play my part in helping the next generation be in the best positions they can be for their career. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, thank you. Congratulations.
Make I tell you what you happen for a bullet. Go this big party inside my bullet.
The next category, and obviously Councillor Tony is here, so he's going to be presenting that. Excellence in Diversity and Inclusion. The nominees are Lord Grey Academy.
Welcome on the stage, Lord Grey.
Put your hands together, please, ladies and gentlemen. Let's appreciate them.
Welcome, welcome.
IDMK.
IDMK, please.
Do we still have IDMK here?
Yeah, please be on the stage. So kind of you. IDMK on the stage.
Thank you. And the winner is Lord Grey Academy. Congratulations. Congratulations.
A few words from you, please.
Thank you. I'm here to represent my school as head teacher. There are 1,500 students at Law Grey Academy, literally just down the road. We are truly honoured to receive this Award of Excellence in Diversity and Inclusion. This is a recognition for the incredible team and community that have worked tirelessly to create a culture where everyone feels valued, they're heard, and they're empowered. First, I want to express my deepest gratitude to these awards, the selection committee, but also my colleagues who have supported this journey, to my wonderful school community of parents and carers and students, as well as staff, and everyone who has contributed to making inclusion more than a goal, but a way of life. Thank you. At the heart of our work are our values that define us. We believe that diversity is our strength, and that inclusion is the foundation of true excellence. When we create spaces where every voice matters, we don't just change policies, we change lives. This award is a reminder that our work is never done. We will continue to break barriers, challenge the biases and stereotypes, and build a future where everyone belongs. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. For really nice of you to me. Tons of congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you for all of you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for being on the stage. Thank you. And the movement for the Lifetime Award. Lifetime Award recipients, in fact, that's the presented by Councillor James Canster. Can we request him? Oh, most welcome to you, boss. James, the Deputy Mayor of Milton Keynes. Welcome. Yeah, my pleasure to be, it's a pleasure to be here with you. And it's Khurshida Mirza. Can we have on the stage, please? Khurshida, can we have on the stage, please? It's kind of... She's already on the way. It's really pleasant for you to be here. And that goes to her. Congrats.
Congratulations.
Khurshida.
Well done.
Thanks for congratulations to you. It's a lifetime thing, you know.
For all your hard work
Amazing.
against community and society,
A few words from you.
you'll be recognised.
Thank you. First of all, I really do need to thank Nana and everybody that's worked so hard for these awards, and all the nominees and winners, because at the end of the day, we are all winners. I am truly humbled to be bestowed this honour, and especially along with such great leaders later, Francesca and Lakshman Pai. It really is not for me, it's for all of us. Each and every one of us here today and within our communities who dare to push boundaries and firmly ask to be seen and to be heard. To be a Muslim, Asian and a woman asking to be heard can be challenging at times when the world around you has already boxed and stereotyped you. So I want to just read a couple of quotes from my favourite writer, Maya Angelou, whom I met as a young woman, and I just absolutely love her. She says, "Stepping onto a brand new path is difficult, but not more difficult than remaining in a situation which is not nurturing to the whole woman. And you may shoot me with your words, you may cut me with your eyes, you may kill me with your hatefulness, but still like air, I will rise, we will rise." So today, this is for all of us, women of all colour, black, brown, white, yellow, for all of us. Thank you.
That was an amazing speech. That was really the spirit of the event, the multicultural and the event. And now, the next award is to be presented by Minor? Francisco Skeleton. Who's the presenter? presented by Honorable Nijarara Maina. Can we have her on the stage, please? Can we have Maina on the stage, please? Okay, okay, most welcome to you. Yeah. And this category doesn't have any nominees. This is lifetime. This is really hard work for the lifetime. And we present this award to her. So Skeleton, there's tons of congratulations to us. A round of applause for us, please.
For all your hard work over the years.
I just want to say that fostering inclusion and celebrating diversity has been a journey I've been on that has brought me so much pleasure and so many treasured friendships. So not only I have the delight of this award, but it's been a journey that has given me such happiness. And I want to thank Nana for arranging this amazing, wonderful event and all the team that have worked with her. What I want to say is I'm one of the sort of older pioneers of Milton Keynes. So I've been here 48 years, commuted for 14, but then started to work locally. And then the whole community opened up to me with all its many layers and challenges and interest. And I've been involved as a volunteer as well as working in other places with the college, with Milton Keynes Community Foundation, with the Buckinghamshire Lieutenancy and as a High Sheriff. So I've had many, many opportunities. But what I've seen is this is a community that has benefited so much from all the diverse communities coming to live here. I've watched it over the years grow, and it is truly multicultural, and it has enriched our community in so many ways through the faith, the generosity, the festivals, the dancing, the music. We were rather a dull place in the early years when I came here to 77. Now I think it is a completely vibrant, exciting and place where more festivals and events are taking place all the time. So I wanted to say thank you to all of you in the room who bring your culture, your vitality, and your welcome, generosity, your hospitality. I've never felt such warmth. Except in the company of so many people from these communities. So I thank you and very honoured.
Thanks a lot. Ultimately, it's a journey which matters to the stage. That's why I understand. And the Lifetime Award goes for that purpose itself. And the next Lifetime Award goes from you, Peter.
The next Lifetime Award is going to be presented by Aranjit Singh. Aranjit Singh.
Mr. Ranjit Singh, can we have on the stage, please? Welcome on the stage, please. Welcome, Mr. Singh. Welcome on the stage.
Thank you, sir. And this award goes to Laxman Kastali. All your work since 2021. If you'd like to say a few words, sir.
Thank you. When I received this email before Christmas to saying I've been selected for this Lifetime Achievement Award, that was a bit of a shock for me to start with. Because what did I actually do to get this Lifetime Achievement Award? On the other side, I was thinking, are they saying, as my kids say, am I too old now? Is it the time to retire? Which is the meaning of the Lifetime Achievement Awards. I also had a conversation, a chat with someone who I met very recently. I'll tell you about that towards the end. But then I started reflecting on it. This is not a personal achievement, but a reflection of the collective efforts and the spirit of our community. As a kid, I grew up in a very small South Indian village where they only speak one language, Telugu, which I'm sure many of you wouldn't have heard of that language as well. But we had people of all cultures, so this culture, we grew up right from the beginning. I was an ardent reader, of course in Telugu. I was reading the book of a spiritual guru, Sai, who shaped my life. And that was the foundation for starting the organization Dream Sai in Milton Keynes. Then I moved to the other parts of the country of India, which opened my eyes to see the rich diversity and the unity and diversity that is present in India as a nation. But this learning continued for me. About 20 years ago, I came to Milton Keynes. The learning continued because from unity in diversity to facing and embracing British values, meeting and making friendships with global communities. I adapted into that. I learned it. Those learnings of my guru, the unity and diversity of India, the British values, and the values you inherit from the global communities, these are all the things which made me as a person. Then I thought, yes, this award is not for me. There's a lot more people in my life who shaped me, and to them, this award belongs to. I thought I should mention who those are. The first and foremost goes to my wife and children, who sacrificed a lot to support my passion. Then comes all my colleagues and friends, many of them here this evening, them from Dreamside, those from IDMK, those from Ethnic Business Community, those from Arts and Heritage Alliance, the Ganesh Utsav Samiti, and many more organizations I've been part of. All these people supported me throughout my journey. And finally, the community of Milton Keynes. Everyone welcomed me with open arms, so that now I can proudly say Milton Keynes is my home.
Such a noble thought.
And I didn't forget that I said, when I was contemplating on whether I should take this award or not, I said, I had a chat with a very lovely person who I met very recently. The person is none other than, I think it's very important as a modern city, as a tech city, and standing next to or being in Bletchley, the person is none other than ChatGPT. I was having a chat with the ChatGPT and saying, look, they're saying I'm getting the Lifetime Achievement Award at this age, should I actually receive it or not? I had the conversation and finally it said, well, it gave me multiple options. I threatened it and I said, either you give me the right answer, otherwise I'm going to go to the deep seek. But finally it gave me an award, confirmation that go ahead and take the award. This is not for you. This is for everyone that supported you in your journey. That was nothing but the speech I gave you today. Thank you very much.
Such kind words, such kind words. Really appreciate the noble thought. And Mr. Lakshman, age is just a number. So not that way that the award is lifetime, so it goes that way. Yeah, next award please.
Thank you. And the next Lifetime Award being presented by Sengo Oguntola.
Second, can you please come on the...
Sengo Oguntola.
Welcome here. Welcome here. that's presented to.
And this Lifetime Award goes to Living Archive. Living Archive of Milton Keynes. They've operated since 1984 to 2024, as we have there. Congratulations.
Welcome to the stage. Many congrats.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, and a few words, please. Congrats.
Hello there. Last, but hopefully not least, my name's Roger Kitchen. I was the co-founder and current chair of the Living Archive, and with me is Poppy Holman, who's our creative coordinator. For the last 40 years, Living Archive has been collecting stories from all communities in Milton Keynes. The stories of so-called ordinary people whose memories have for too long been hidden from histories. Our earliest interviews back in the 1970s were with people, some of whom have been born in the 19th century, people who lived through 2 world wars, people like farm and railway workers and housewives and new city pioneers. More recently, we've worked hard to reflect the changing face of MK. As the diversity of this wonderful city has grown, we have tried to capture stories from all our communities, prompted by our first core belief that everybody has a story to tell. From capturing the fishermead to interviewing newly arrived Afghan refugees, and from celebrating our city's black and minority pioneers, several of whom are in this room today, we're growing a rich and inspiring archive for future generations who want to learn more about their past. But we are the living archive, so those stories are collected not just to be transcribed and catalogued. We use those stories to inspire creativity. That might mean poetry, drama, dance or music. And then importantly, we share those outputs with the communities that inspired them, and they become a focus for community celebration and pride. The Living Archive is a child of Milton Keynes. We've aimed in our work to use arts and heritage to help build community in this new city. We're striving hard to make sure we represent everybody who lives here. And that informs our second core belief that you dig where you stand. You dig where you stand for the inspiration, all those wonderful stories from local people. And you dig where you stand for the talents to transform those raw materials into creative outputs that can be shared. Brilliant talents, like one of this evening's award winners, Isle of CC, whose song about growing up in Fishermead was a hit at our 40th anniversary concert last year. Although we don't receive core funding for our work, we will continue to do it for as long as we possibly can, and we're grateful to all those who support us. I'd like to thank the staff and the volunteers at Living Archive for their dedication and hard work, and I'd especially like to thank and mention Mel Jevons, our General Manager, who would have loved to have been here tonight, but unfortunately is currently abroad. And thank you once again for giving us this award. It's been really amazing. We're really honoured to have it. Thank you.
It's truly a pleasure to be here. It's really a pleasure for us to be here. Very nice one. It's a real lifetime achievement award.
Wow. So the time we've been waiting for, because in every society we have leaders. And our host for Milton Keynes is no other person but the Deputy Mayor, His Worship, the Deputy Mayor, of Milton Keynes is going to give us a few words. Let's put our hands together for our host, please.
Thank you so much for that introduction. I am James Lancaster, Deputy Mayor for Milton Keynes. I just wanted to say a few shout outs, especially to Nana Oguntula. Nana, you've put on a great event, and everyone who has been involved in the Excellence Awards tonight. So a round of applause, please. Nana, come out and you need a round of applause. You deserve this. Well done. Once again, blow your hands together for Nana Oguntula. It's really great to be here. The room is full of diversity, full of different cultures. Milton Keynes, I'm very proud for what we offer here in this city. We're a city of innovation, we're a city of different sustainability. We are different for a reason, but you tell me another place like Milton Keynes and I will wait for your answer. We are loud and proud and we are making differences in Milton Keynes. I've got to try and get used to that. It's also great to see so many colleagues, friends, people that I've worked with on the council and businesses, and I guess Mo, you know, he's sometimes around. But whilst we're speaking about Mo, a former mayor of Milton Keynes, but he did make it very clear that he made this city show for its diversity reasons. It showcased everything that we offer by having the first Bangladeshi mayor of Milton Keynes. If that's something not to be proud of, we need to have different diversities, different cultures, and team leaders standing up to be the community champions. So if you're ever interested in becoming a councillor, do let us know. From ME Party, we are here to make a difference for Milton Keynes. And I will say this again, I am loud and I am proud to be the mayor for this city in May. Thank you.
My name's Jade Hewitt. I'm the Chief Inspector and Head of Neighbourhood Policing for Milton Keynes. I'm really proud to be here this evening and thank you so much for the invite. It's great to celebrate the success of such dedicated people who strengthen our communities and make things better for families across Milton Keynes. The dedication, inclusivity and visionary leadership shown through all of these awards and the winners shape Milton Keynes into a culturally rich city that we're all proud of and all proud to be part of. Got another page. So Thames Valley Police are dedicated to building trust and confidence in our communities. We've worked incredibly hard to produce a meaningful and engaging race action plan, ensuring that we lift the words from the page and turn them into demonstrable action. Here in Milton Keynes, we have a very active independent stop search scrutiny panel who meet regularly to review stop search interactions between our officers and the public. The panel provides valuable feedback to our officers who embody the force of value of striving to improve every day. And this invaluable feedback ensures that our workforce improve their interactions with the public. This is so important. We need to get better at our interactions with the public. We're very proud to prioritise this work and that Thames Valley Police are the first force in the UK to be awarded the prestigious Race Equality Matters Trailblazer status, recognising our work to address racial inequality within our organisation. The importance of being visible in our communities is a priority to me, and I strive to ensure that my teams are in the community, providing a localised approach to policing, being accessible and responsive to the needs of community in Milton Keynes. And we strive to promote the culture of excellence by being ethical and involved with our communities. So I'd like to say thank you very much. Thank you so much for including us this evening, and congratulations to all of the amazing winners. Thank you.